Hello everyone, we are from the second group. We will explain how to answer the TOEFL questions. The first question, the new library blah 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 by the mayor last month. The first step, identify the subject. The new library receives the action, so the sentence must be in passive voice. The second step, the time signals last month shows the sentence use past tense. The third step, the correct passive form in past tense is was plus verb 3. The correct answer is C, was inaugurated. The second question, the report blah 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 before the meeting begins. The first step, the subject, the report receives the actions, so passive voice is need. The second step, the modal must in passive voice follows the pattern must be plus verb 3. The correct answer is B, must be finished. The third question, several mistakes blah 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 in the final exam. The first step, the subject, several mistakes receives the actions. The second step, the sentence states a general fact, so simple present passive is used are plus verb 3. The correct answer is A, are found. The fourth questions, the cake blah 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 by my sister when I arrived home. The first step, the actions was is progress in the past, indicate by when I arrived home. The second step, the correct passive form is was being plus verb 3. The correct answer is B, was being baked.
Number 5. English blah 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 in many countries around the world. In this sentence, the subject is English. Logically, English cannot perform the action of speaking by itself. Instead, it is spoken by people. Therefore, we must use the passive voice. The structure of a passive sentence always follows the pattern to be plus verb 3. Since English is a singular subject and the sentence states a general fact, we use is the to be followed by the third form of speak, which is spoken. That is why the correct answer is C, is spoken. Number 6. The woman blah 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 lives next door is a famous writer. This sentence aims to provide more information about the woman. In English grammar, when we want to connect a person to an action they perform, we use the relative pronouns who. The key indicator here is that the blank space is immediately followed by a verb lives. Since who functions as a subject pronoun for people, choice C, who is the most appropriate answer. Other options like which are only used for objects, while whom is typically used an object pronouns, usually followed by another subject like I, you, or he. Number 7. This is the book blah 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 I told you about yesterday. Unlike the provide question, the noun being described here is the book. Because a book is an inanimate object, we can't use relative pronouns means for people such as who or whom. For objects and animals, the correct relative pronouns is which or that. In this context, which refer back to the book mentioned earlier in the sentence. Therefore, the correct answer is C, which.
The student blah 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 father is a doctor won the scholarship. In the sentence, the student father is a doctor who won the scholarship. The correct answer is was. This is because the sentence aims to explain ownership, namely the student father. The word father indicates that the father belongs to the student. In Indonesian, who can be translated as was father. Therefore, using was is the most appropriate and correct way to complete the sentence. Number 8. The teacher blah 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 we met yesterday is very kind. In the sentence, the teacher we met yesterday is very kind. The correct answer is whom. This is because the word teacher acts as object, namely the person we meet. The teacher does not perform the action, but it is the action. In English grammar, if a person is the object, then the correct connecting pronoun is whom. Therefore, the correct answer for his sentence is whom. Number 10. I know a place blah blah blah. You can relax and enjoy the view. In the sentence, I know a place where you can relax and enjoy the view. The correct answer is where. The word place indicates that the subject is a place, and the sentence that follow explain the activities taking place there. In Indonesian, where means where, so it's a good way to connect the word place with the following explain. Therefore, the correct answer is where.